How to find trending items on Shein application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to find trending items on Shein application. So let's get started. So first thing, open up your Shein application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. Now to find a trending section, explore with the curated trendy stores for a specific aesthetic and leveraging social media by following Shein's official accounts or using relevant hashtags. So that's one way to discover trending items on Shein. So if you want to check out trending items manually, you can just head over to any of your products, just like this. And once you click on any of the products that you like, here you should see their products description right above the product's name, and usually there should be a text related to trending. So let me just quickly show you what I mean. So we can basically come back to home screen, and you can see at the bottom middle of my navigation bar there is an option that is trends, which is a purple icon. So just tap on that and basically it will open up all of the trending products over here, and you can simply scroll down and click on each one of them to view it or add to your wish list. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.